If you have been trying to check your WAEC results and probably you don't know how to check it, or you are just looking for how you can check your WAEC results, you are on the right place to get to know how you're going to check it very easy and fast. So all you need to do first is to come to your browser, for any browser that you have on your phone. For example, for this, I'm using Chrome on my browser, as you can see. So before you do anything, make sure you do something very profound, which is come to the site uh WAEC result checking website, which is waecdirect.org, as you can see on my screen. So after getting there, this is what you are going to see. So all these details are what you are going to fill. Your examination number, very important, which is the combination of your examination number and your seat number. Please, this is very, very important. Some of the time, mm, this, the center number is the same thing for everyone. So the seat number, it is your own personal serial number. Now, it is important you know your own personal serial number. Don't go and use any other person's serial number. If you use other person's serial number, you will waste the card, or the pin. And having entered the examination number, the examination year, the pin and the serial number. If you don't know how to buy your pin and serial number online, you can check this channel. I've made a video on that, and you can find the link in the description box. So mine is 2022. Next thing you need to do, just for you to click on submit. Make sure all the details you have entered are correct. Please, that is very, very important. Most especially your examination number, then the year. It's very, very important. So you just click on submit. So when you click on print, you see, if you cannot see it, you come to other tab like this. So it will just create another tab beside that tab. So you just come to the tab. If you mistakenly leave the tab, if you mistakenly leave the tab, this is how you can come back to it. Just click on this side of your browser like I've clicked, then you see the tabs, then you click on it to bring it for you. Then you can now click on print. So as you can see, for me now, I just want to convert it to PDF. So having saved, having click on print, I will just click on this print, this one, then I will save it as anything as my WAEC result done. I've already saved it on the phone. So if I want to go to onto my phone to check, then I will just go. I'll just go and search my file. Then I can have it, as you can see. I've downloaded it on my phone like this, so I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere to print. So this is basically how to check and print your WAEC results.